all crew. The new video is finally posted on YouTube now.
See that. Thank you.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel here. Just wanted to let you know where we're currently at. Right now we are in Cape Charles, Virginia. We're excited to be here. It's been super calm, but at the same time we just got a little bit of rain. But it's kind of nice. One thing that we took care of when we were in the yard was get this isinglass surround up here in the flybridge. So keeps you out of the weather, you know, up here being on the flybridge with that isinglass, and that's super nice. So we ended up going from Belhaven, North Carolina, up through the Alligator River into Yacht. Yacht's kind of a small little marina with a restaurant there right on the Alligator River. We stopped there for the night. So after we left Yacht, North Carolina, we ended up continuing along the Alligator River there. We had to go through a locks, which was only like maybe a couple of feet difference or whatever, but we had to tend fenders alongside that wall, kind of tie our lines and hold until they raised the water height up enough to the point where they can open up the lock for us and let us continue. So that was kind of interesting. That was our first experience going through the locks like that. We're gonna go through another locks up into Niagara Falls once we get to that point after the St. Lawrence Seaway. And so that kind of gave us a little bit of a taste of what it's going to be like. Obviously the Niagara Falls locks, it's not going to just be a couple of feet of water displacement, it's going to be several feet of water displacement. So, but that just kind of got us comfortable, or at least introduced to it, I should say. So after the locks that we went through a couple of different drawbridge scenarios, swing bridges, and ended up coming out into the Norfolk Naval Shipyards, which that kind of brought back some memories for me when I was in the Navy, which was several years ago. But it was super cool to kind of go through there in a different perspective instead of being actually on a Navy ship, but being on a yacht passing the shipyard. So I have much respect for everyone that's actively serving, and we appreciate their support and everything that they do for this country. So thank you guys to those who are serving. After the Navy shipyard, we ended up going through the Chesapeake Bay. It was a little windy, a little choppy, but after the Chesapeake Bay, we kind of turned up towards Cape Charles here and ended up staying here in Cape Charles for the last 2 nights. And from Cape Charles here, we're gonna head up to Baltimore, Maryland. That's gonna be right around like a 120-mile trip from here to Baltimore, Maryland. So a little bit different scenery than Cape Charles here. So that'll be exciting. Along the way here, I'm gonna try to capture kind of what it's like on board. We'll go into what the crew quarters are like and give you a little taste of that. I'll end up giving a little bit of a tour in the engine room just to kind of show you what it looks like inside the engine room of a 103-foot yacht. And I'm just going to continue to try to capture as much as possible and kind of let you guys know what we're working on, what still needs to be done, and our progress throughout this journey. And hopefully that you guys enjoy this content. If you do, please sure to give your likes and comments and subscribe if you haven't. So thank you so much for watching. The content is going to get a little more exciting as we make our way up through the East Coast, Canada, St. Lawrence Seaway, and then into the Great Lakes. So stay tuned, and we appreciate every single one of you.